Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to beat bosses in Monster Hunter Rise. To successfully defeat bosses in Monster Hunter Rise, here's what you're going to do. Equip armor and weapons that match the weaknesses of the boss. Utilize elemental damage and resistances for an advantage. Bring potion, antidotes, and buffs. Use the right item based on the boss attacks and elements. Pay attention to the boss patterns, attack telegraphs, and weak points. Learning their behavior is crucial. Use scout flies to track the boss's movements, allowing you to anticipate and dodge attacks. Select a weapon that suits your playstyle and is effective against the boss. Each weapon type has unique advantages. Enhance your weapons for increased damage. Pay attention to sharpness levels to maintain optimal performance and others. Enhance your weapons for increased damage. And pay attention to sharpness level to maintain optimal performance. If playing in a group, communicate with teammates, coordinate attacks, and strategize to maximize efficiency. Distract the boss to give teammates opening for attacks. Divide roles to manage aggro and support. And that's how to beat bosses in Monster Hunter Rise. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.